one of the highest points in Europe, from where we'll still hike. We go up, we come down, we go up, we come down, we go up, we come down.
Our time improved by so much. It's crazy. Yeah, to 3,440.
So this is the train we're taking, and this train was built in the 1970s in Austria here, and in 8 minutes, it gets us from here. We are at 1,700 to 2,840. So 1,100 meters of elevation in 8 minutes. And when we'll get to that plateau, I mean to that mountain, which is already very high, one of the highest points in Europe, and from where we'll still hike with crampons to 2,000 to 3,840 meters.
Yes. That's why I'm wearing today my suit, because maybe on the last day we should do it with a really down suit, even if it's a bit warm. Because if everything is hanging over, then sometimes some people make the mistake and clip it to this loop, yeah, and that ends deadly, yeah. So that's why I now wear this, that I can make sure, or put the jackets under the harness, so the harness should always be on top.
Yeah, right.
Because when it's stressful, then it's windy and everything, then you don't check it and you just keep it somewhere, and then it sometimes happens that you put it in the wrong loop, and then that's it. Yeah.
The goal is to make it 3 times. We go up, we come down, we go up, we come down, we go up, we come down. So that is like more than 1,800 meters of elevation, which is more than what we do in a day in the Everest. But in Everest you have the elevation, the altitude. So if we can do 1,800 meters here, that means we can do 600 meters of elevation in the Everest.
It's April 23rd, we just did 600 meters of elevation gain. My dad was on fire today, so was Rise, the 3 of us. And so yeah, our time improved by so much. It's crazy. First time I did this, it took me 2 hours and 15 minutes. Now I can do it 1 hour and 15 minutes. Today I think I did 1 hour and 30 minutes. But yeah, it's still amazing. So yeah, I think my dad's not even stopping. He's just going for it. So yeah, cold day today. And so yeah, it was a beautiful, beautiful day. And this will probably be our last cardio training day in Pitztal. So thank you, Pitztal. I love you guys.
Il y a encore de l'énergie. Plus que de l'énergie. Tu peux faire 2 heures de plus alors. C'est clair.